Happy weekend to you. Happy weekend to you. Good morning. Good afternoon to some of you. Welcome back to my channel. Today's date is 11th January 2026, and we are here again to give you updates about what happened in Sokoto State. The Jewish community decided to visit Nnamdi Kanu, and people are talking about it. Honestly, I have been expecting them to do that. I know that's a very reasonable number of Jewish people in our land, in Igbo land. And we have been living together and not like those who want to convert us to Islam. The truth is that every part have what they're known for. As long as Igbo land is concerned, we have traditional worshippers, Christians, and the Jewish people. And we don't have any issue among each other. It has been like that. And that is how it will be. Anybody that want to represent Isiana, you need to think twice, because our place is not actually, because what makes Igbo people Igbo cannot coexist with Islam. No, it can't. Unless you want to lie to yourself. Are we here to talk about it? No. But I have to put it out there because I know some people will say, how can you say that you don't like Islam, but you are contented with the Jewish religion? Jewish religion are not violent. They are not terrorists. You understand? So honestly, I like them. I don't have any issue with them at all. I can't even segregate. Like, I don't mind even joining them in their way of worship. But I'm a Christian. Okay, this is me trying to tell you that that's what we are known for. So, having said that, they went to Sokoto State to see Masokan because Masokan is a Jewish. He's practicing Jewish religion, okay? Not that he's an Israelite, but you know what I mean by that. He's practicing Judaism. That's the word, Judaism. He's practicing Judaism. And he went to Sokoto State just to see Masokan and to demand, not him, their group, they went there to see him and they demand for his release. But why it is so interesting now is because of the recent, comment from the Israeli Prime Minister about helping Judaic Christian. Okay, some people think that it's just a mere talk. It's not. In as much as they're waiting for Nigerian to kind of give go ahead order, or that kind of to give them work together, because according to the report, Nigerian government said that Israeli government have said they would like to share intelligence information with Nigeria, just like what America demands. And yesterday, or I think the day before yesterday, Trump said something that he don't want to carry multiple airstrike in Nigeria. He actually wants to just strike once. But if the killing continues, that it will be more, not just another one, more. But we all know that, like, I don't know, honestly, I don't know why. I know all these things require money, but if you know that you can only strike once and run away, not run away and stop, there's no need to strike in the first place, because you actually trigger them to continue doing what they're doing, carry out in the name of revenge. Because what Fulanis are known for, they are very good at that, is revenge. Revenge. Once you do something to them, believe you me, even if in next 200 years, anytime you are down, they will want to revenge. It is their DNA. So that's why we need to be careful. You don't just strike and relax. In fact, I'm not a fan of that at all. I was expecting more. That's just the fact. Let me be real to you. I was expecting more to that. So this is from Sahara Reporter. Nigerian Jewish leader visit Nnamdi Kanu in Sokoto prison. Demand immediate release. Do we have Jewish people in Yoruba land? I don't think so. In the north, it's not possible. So when you hear Nigerian Jews, it's about our people, Igbos, okay? Igbos. Nigerian Jews leader visit Nnamdi Kanu in Sokoto prison, demand immediate release. Is it coincident that when this is coming up, when this is coming on is after Netanyahu? Is the prime minister, made it clear that Israel is willing to, assist. That Israel, they are willing to assist, and we are now hearing that they are visiting and demanding, Master Kanu's release. Is something very, very interesting, because there's another rumor. People are saying that there's a kind of a shift because of Israel's involvement and American involvement, demanding that the judge that tried Master in fact, the Master case should be reviewed. They need to review it, because it is, we all know, even the guy that called Oyami that testified, which Sokoto capitalized his judgment on, it is obvious that he was being used, and because of what? Because it is a way to give a dog a bad name and buy that dog. Kanu also, record the same thing, trying to, he validated the news. He made it clear that truly that thing happened. So some reporters are not just reporting for reporting sake. Mas Nnamdi Kanu observed Sabbath with the Jewish leaders in Sokoto State, maximum prison today, 10th of January 2026. He made a mistake. Should be 2026, because this just happened yesterday. Saturday. He made a mistake. So it is a current news. It's a current news. Some people will say, "Oh, this day, you see, it happened before." Master Kanu was not in prison, all that too long. They just sentenced him on November 20th. November 20th. So November 20th of December marks is 1 month. So 1 month plus few weeks now. So 1 month plus 4 weeks. That's what Master Kanu has spent in Sokoto State. Okay. We need to understand one thing. Master Kanu don't plan to be where he is. He's there for us, right? And being in Sokoto State, like I said at the beginning of everything, is an insult on Igbo. But I just pray that the Jewish community in Nigeria and involvement may help, attract more sympathy or more assistance from international community like Israel. Israel need to do something. Actually, I expect Israel to do something than Britain, because Britain are the one actually sentencing him. It is very, very clear, because to them, he is not for their interest. Once you are not for their interest, they don't care about your life. That's why you cannot talk about. Sometimes British people behave as if they are part and parcel of a bandit, because they don't have any sympathy, no empathy whatsoever. That's a problem to me. That's a problem. So I'm gonna keep it short. I don't want the video to be too long. What is your mind? What is your mind telling you about this news? Do you think that it's somehow connected to this recent move and recent announcement from Israel, or do you think it's just a coincidence that Israel made this request, and then Jewish community and armed forces, they did not just go there to visit; they're demanding for Israelis. And like I told you, there's a rumor that they're going to carry out another review to the case of Mazamudaka and how Omoto judged everything, and we all know the truth, right? And as a political prisoner, they have to put him, make it look like he can't come out again, all this. And I can't wait when Masakan will come out. I would like to see the reaction of Jovika, Ikenga, and Udele. Kesh also is just another, that one is, now that he's fighting with Udele, I don't think, I was taking him a little bit serious, but it is now clear to me that he's just a very hungry human being. Anyway, please let me know what you think about it. God bless you. I can't wait to read your comment. Please make sure you let me know. What is your mind? What do you think about this move? About this recent development, this new development? Or am I just trying to, am I deceiving myself by thinking that something may be attached to that? You never can tell. You never can say never. So let's just wait and see. Please like the video and let me know what you think about it. Like I said, God bless you. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.